Alright, today we're going to work on the Hyundai Accent engine, the block portion. We're going to prep the block right now to make sure that all the mating surfaces of the head and the gasket and everything that's connected to it mates perfectly without having any kind of imperfections. And that's what we're going to do today in this video. Okay, in the next video we're going to get this, the head of it prepped and also the cams and everything polished out and get that assembled. So hope you enjoy the video and have a good day. Okay guys, today I'm going to smooth this out. Not, you know, remove metal, but remove this gasket material so it can have a better seal when it gets sealed. Okay, and then I'm going to use 800 grit sandpaper. That should take care of it. Alright, and then once we're done, we're going to do a measurement across both axes like this to determine if it's straight or not. First thing I'm going to do is remove the rust from here. I'm going to use also 800 grit. You're not going to sand up and down, no way. You'll sand around and around and around only, okay? And then after that, this thing should be ready to be measured and it should be done for the day. My work for the day is done. Okay, and then I can set the timing, static timing, TDC, top dead center. Alright, then everything should be good to go. Okay, the material I use, my special cutting oil, is going to be diesel fuel and cooking oil combined. Okay, that's what I'm going to be using. No, not Flee Away, but that's the bottle that I put it in. All right. Make sure it's smooth with your fingers. If you can still feel something there, you need to keep sanding until it's completely smooth. Because if you don't, the rings will break. We're getting close. That is harder work than I thought. Excited ako, ha? Merienda, yes.
Pizza.
Huh?
Pizza.
Chicharon?
Pizza.
Anong pizza?
Pizza yung pizza yung bilog.
Oh, okay, okay. Alam ko na.
You wanna eat pizza?
Hindi, joking lang.
Why?
Wala. Busy ako talaga. Di ba, maraming araw wala ka dito? Yan. Ha? Oo. Miss mo ba ako? Somebody getting their groove on, man. You know, what's up? Last one, thank God. Whew. That's nasty. And FYI guys, you can see here there's an arrow. Can you see it? This arrow and this arrow are going to be on top of all the pistons. That's pointing towards the front of the block, okay? Which is where the crankshaft pulley is. It's that way, alright? Just to let you know. See this timing mark that I made? I put it on the pulley right there. See it? Okay. That is, you can see it says T on there. See it? Once you got it on T, that's top dead center. Okay, it's keyed, so it's going to be the same no matter which orientation you do. And then your cylinders, of course, on top dead center. Center cylinders will be down, and the end cylinders will be up, as you can see. Okay? So that's top dead center, guys, alright? Okay guys, time to smooth out the cylinders. You're going to need a piece of wood like this, 800 grit sandpaper. Just wrap it around like this, as so it's semi-flat, as flat as you can. And we're going to be going like this, okay? You're going to get all this material off of here. First, you're going to need to add lubricant, top of the head area, and also here. And you're going to start sanding, okay? Just gently. See, we're removing this material here, which is going to prevent it from sealing good if it's still there. I like to get my engines mathematically perfect, not only mechanically perfect. Because if they're mathematically perfect, there's very few things can go wrong with it. Numbers on it. That's good. I'm going to go over this with some more small gasket scraper before I put the head gasket in. But that's good enough to measure, so we're going to measure it now. Okay. Got my feeler gauge set, Ed. Can you see that? Two thousandths of an inch. Okay. For iron is 3 to 6. For aluminum is 2,000, no more. That is the maximum and minimum. Okay, we're going to be cutting across 2 axes, okay? If I can get it in here. As good as you can. Well, that's going to be hard. Out of the way. I'm going to measure the metal right here. The axis has to be on each corner. Can you see that? Each corner of the head. Okay, and you measure here, 2 thousandths. The feeler gauge can't slip through or it's warped. As you can see, oops, it's not going through, it's good. Okay, on the other axis, gonna be here. The block is good. It's a good block, it's not warped. All this oil here. Lack of oil change, that's what this is, folks. Do not do that. And here's a clean camshaft.